Hello guys, hello. I'm back to Melissa, and here's some Kylie, and it's Crazy Crush compilation. And I have a big sport. I'm actually the biggest fan. I'm actually the biggest fan of Dance Crazy Crush. Sushi, Dance Crazy Crush. We need to answer the budget for fun. One, two, come on. Stuff from my This is my normal hair. This is my normal hair. Normal hair. Hairstyle. This is this is okay. Let's do one. This is all of Justin Bieber's hair. I need you the most. I need you the most. No. Yeah, I'm a rockstar. I'm a gangster. No. I'm a rockstar. I'm a rockstar. Okay. This is the rockstar hair. This is my normal hair. This is my forehead. This is my normal forehead. This is Yon's hair. This is Justin Bieber's hair. I need you the most. Bye.